Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out LITELOK. LITELOK, as the name suggests, makes the world's most flexible and lightest bike locks. Today we have the LITELOK Wearable and the LITELOK Flexi-U. Basically their take on a U-lock. Both locks are extremely easy and simple to use. They use a key and lock method, so you just stick in the key, just unlock it like any other lock. Looking at the Flexi-U first, obviously, as I said before, it's their take on a U-lock. Most U-locks are just a solid metal piece. Where this shines is that you can actually flex and contour to fit pretty much, most poles, obviously, given how much length you have to work with the lock. This makes it a much more versatile U-lock than most on the market, especially since it can just wrap around most things and you can stretch it to whatever you need it to. On top of that, it is substantially lighter. The LITELOK Wearable again, has the same principle, lock and key. You can wear this around your waist and it fits pretty comfortably. Again, it is really flexible, so it can flex to fit around most things, but it is fairly large too, so you may not even need to do that. As far as LITELOK goes as a brand, they are extremely committed to making products that last and are actually worth what they say it is. For starters, it is a fairly light product, and they do, as I mentioned before, have a ton of videos on their website to show that they're actually testing the lock and trying to cut through it to no avail. I'll link that below so you can check them out. On top of that, they actually offer bike insurance. So if you buy a LITELOK and your bike does get stolen, they will replace it depending on like a certain parameter. We could link that below as well. LITELOK is a fairly new brand to the North American market, and we did get a chance to feature them on our podcast where they were able to tell a little bit more about their story and how they got started. We'll link that below as well for you to check out in case you want to find out a little bit more about the brand. All in all, I'd say this product is perfect for anyone who's looking for a really ultra secure bike that has a little bit more flexibility so you can attach it to a wide variety of things and is on the lighter side so you won't really be weighed down. That's it for our first look of LITELOK. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below letting us know what you think of LITELOK. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel where you can stay up to date with the newest first looks coming out every week. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.